Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Cooking class. Today I cut up some broccoli for you. Broccoli is another superfood. Broccoli are just like these little tiny trees, right? Yummy trees that are kind of like brooms or brushes that can just brush out all the yucky toxins and things that we get caught in our bodies, right? So broccoli is one of the best things that you can eat. It's a cruciferous vegetable. Cruciferous vegetables are very high in antioxidants that help you take all the bad stuff out of your body. And if we're building our immunity, we want all that stuff out, right? So I found a super simple recipe. I just cut up the broccoli. I washed my hands first. And then you just put, again, olive oil. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. And just mix it up. If you have a spoon, you can use a spoon. I like to use my hands. And then you can put in, if you liked the lemon in the salad yesterday, you can add in a little bit more lemon juice. A little bit more lemon juice into it. So I'll add a little bit of lemon. Here. And then the recipe that I found for this said that you use some Parmesan cheese. And you know, I know how you love Parmesan cheese. Whenever we have pasta, this is the thing you all go for, right? So Parmesan cheese, give it a little cheesy flavor. And I found that you can put some pumpkin seeds on here. Some pumpkin seeds. Kind of makes it look really pretty. Pumpkin seeds are really awesome because they get rid of parasites in your body. Little bugs that get in there, they will remove the parasites from your body. So this is like a cleaning kind of meal. And I know it's vegetables, but I am challenging you to try new things, to try things that are healthy for you to eat for your health, not just for the taste. And these things taste good too, but I want you to learn to eat that food helps with things. Right? It's not just what it tastes like, right? Or to make your tummy full, although those are wonderful things about food. I want you to learn to eat so that you can be healthy, okay? So let's put this broccoli on, so you put it on a baking sheet right here with your Parmesan cheese and your pumpkin seeds. And we're gonna stick it in the oven and bake it for a little bit. I haven't tried this yet. That's what the recipe said to do. I've also seen people where they boil the broccoli. However you want to make your broccoli is fine. But I thought this was a fun and really easy recipe to get ourselves a little bit healthier. Okay, all right. Have a great day, guys.